Juice, juice. Juice is the liquid that comes out of fruit. Earthquake, 지진. An earthquake happens when underground rocks move and make the ground above shake and tremble. Market, 시장. A market is a place where people buy and sell things. Green, 녹색이. Green is the color of grass and leaves in spring. Hammer, 망치. A hammer is a tool that you use for pounding in nails. Flag, 깃발. A flag is a symbol of a country, a club, or a group of people. It is made from a large people of clothes and usually has a pattern on it. Finish, 끝나다, 끝내다. To finish is to reach the end of something. Invite, 초대하다. To invite someone is to ask them to a party or another special event. An invitation is the card that you send. Fable, 우화. A fable is a short story that teaches a lesson. Characters in fables are often animals that talk and act like people.